savory flavors. At home today, we are going to make khichdi. Hope you would love the taste of it. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description. Khichdi is derived from Sanskrit term khikka, meaning a dish of rice and lentils. It is the queen of all foods. It has just the right amounts of protein, carbohydrates, fiber and folic acid. Khichdi is the most comfort food for Indians, mostly because it is vegetarian, filling, inexpensive and more importantly provides all the essential nutrients in one meal. It is light and digestible dish that can be enjoyed by the whole family including toddlers. It is called khichuri in Bengali, pongal in Tamil, khichdi in Gujarat and kedgari in English. Let's see the ingredients. Potatoes medium size 3 to 4 cut into medium size pieces. Tomatoes medium size 3 to 4 cut into medium size pieces. Bottle gourd 1 inch pieces 1.5 cups. Onions medium size 3 to 4 cut into slices. Ridge gourd medium size pieces 2 cups. Carrots medium size 3 to 4 cut into medium size pieces. Yellow gram 1 cup. Rice uncooked 1 cup. Cinnamon sticks 1 inch size 6. Cloves 16. Cardamom 12. Bay leaf 4 to 5. Ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons. Salt 5 teaspoons. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Green chilies 8 cut into half and slit till half length. Curry leaves few. Oil 3 tablespoons. Place a pan on stove at low flame. Add 3 tablespoons oil. You can use clarified butter or ghee instead of oil. Add bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and cardamoms. Mix once and let them fry for a minute. Add curry leaves. Mix once. Add onions. Mix once and let them fry at medium flame. Add green chilies and ginger garlic paste. Mix well and let them fry. Keep stirring at regular intervals and fry till onions become transparent. Add potatoes, carrots, ridge gourd and bottle gourd. Mix well and let them fry. Keep stirring at regular intervals and fry them for 5 minutes. Add tomatoes. Mix well and let them fry. Fry till tomatoes become slightly soft, then switch off stove. Take 8 cups water in a pressure cooker, place it on stove at high flame. Add fried vegetables. Mix well. Wash rice and yellow gram together in a bowl. Drain excess water and add them. Add salt and turmeric powder. Mix well. Place the cooker lid. Place the cooker weight. Cook until 4 whistles. Since the whistle time is long for my cooker. If the whistle time is short for your cooker and if the gap between the whistles is less, then cook until 7 or 8 whistles. Switch off stove. Once cooker is cooled completely, open the lid. With a spatula, mix khichdi from bottom to top in cooker. Khichdi will have pouring consistency like this. If you are serving khichdi once it is cooled, then add warm water to get this pouring consistency. Cover with the lid. That's all. Healthy and tasty vegetable masala khichdi is ready to serve. Serve it hot with little ghee poured on it and with papad, fryams or chips. Khichdi is a whole day meal as it can be taken as breakfast, lunch or dinner. So, we have seen how easy it is to make khichdi at home. You try it once and let me know how it is in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting The Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.